Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see FitGirl installation guide. I show you guys how to do it. Before open the setup folder, you just need to check my video description for this video link. Watch this video to avoid setup corrupted errors. Then you just need to go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection and select manage settings. Turn off the real-time protection and select yes. Just minimize this page. Double click on the setup folder. Double click on setup and select yes. Select the OK option. Select this music icon to mute the music. And if you have under 8 GB RAM, then check mark this box guys. Limit installer to 2 GB of RAM usage. And make sure nothing is running in the background. And select next. And select next. Select this browse option and select the location where you want to save this game and select OK and select next. In voiceovers, you just need to check mark your preferred language guys. I'm gonna have English. And then select the install option. After the installation done, open up the Windows security we minimized before and scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add an exclusion and select folder and navigate to the game folder where you saved. I saved in C drive games and here is the game folder. After selecting it, select folder option and the game has been added to this list, and then go back and turn on the real-time protection and select yes. After turning on, just to close stuff here, uncheck this option guys. Open this site, redirect to this site and select finish. As you can see, all files are okay. There is no missing or bad files found. Just to close stuff here and install the DirectX and Visual C++. And as you can see, the game opens up without having any problem and you will never face any game related problem guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.